In this video, we'll cover how to manage your personal profile and InkChat account. Click on your avatar or profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Click on Profile in the left menu. Here you can update your personal information. First, you can add or change your avatar or profile picture. Click on the Upload button to upload a photo. A recognizable profile picture helps community members identify your messages quickly. Next, you'll see your display name. This is the name that appears to other users in InkChat in direct message search applications. Click on it to edit it, and you can even use a nickname. To the right is your username, which you can change. Usernames are displayed when you post in channels, and other members can use it to mention you. If you need to delete your InkChat account, this can be done at the bottom of the profile page. If you delete your account, you will remove your access to all channels and direct messages. Your InkChat account is separate from Ink subscription services. Deleting your InkChat account does not cancel any paid subscription service you may have. If you want to change your password, head to the Security section in the Accounts menu. The Preferences section also lets you change a variety of feature settings in InkChat, such as the type of notification sounds you will hear. In the Accessibility and Appearance section, you can change a variety of display settings, including font size. That wraps up this video on account management. Enjoy using InkChat and reach out to us via the chat if you have any questions. Thanks for watching our InkChat tutorial. This video is presented for educational purposes and is not investment advice. Learn more about the Ink Research Premium Data and Screening Service at inkresearch.com or the Canadian Insider Ultra Club at canadianinsider.com. In the meantime, please check out our other educational tutorials to learn how we let the insiders guide us to opportunity using the Ink Research platform.